Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about the Power Lead system. This is an amazing system from anyone who would like to get started on working online. What you can do is generate leads, increase sales, and recruit reps. Also, what's important about this is you can also share and grow any other business that you're working. So here we'll go ahead and get started with the Power Lead system. Right here, you can go ahead and generate leads, easily generate your own unique unlimited leads, increase the sales, tools from selling a lot of anything. So it doesn't matter what business you're in, this is able to increase whatever you're trying to do. Also, recruiting reps, we know that that is a tough job. So easily recruit a lot of reps to sell anything for you. And here it will have the different videos. You can go ahead and click on those right here. Number 4, affiliates get lucrative income from PLS comp plan when helping marketers accomplish number 1, number 2, and number 3. There's only 3 steps in this program, and that is exactly generating leads, increase sales, and recruit reps. So down below, you'll receive 67% residual commission, so $20 from every $30 customer on your direct Power Lead system sales. Receive 33% residual income. That's $10 from every $30 customer on your second level. So right here, you can go ahead and click on the video. It'll give you a short little step-by-step information in there. What you can do right now is just go ahead and get started with a free trial. But that's not all. We have 3 amazing traffic generation products that pay a huge one-time commission. So one of the things I do love about this is it's a one-time commission and also a residual. So you want to make sure that you're getting those residuals on a monthly basis because that helps you keep going. Plus, getting the one-time sales is a way to get paid on multiple levels. So here we have the free ad secrets. It's a one-time fee of $147, one-time fee of $147. So make sure you check that one-time fee and get paid over and over. So a one-time fee of $147 pays $100 on direct sales and $25 on the second sales. Then you have the Social Profit Academy. It's a one-time fee of $497 and pays $400 on direct sales and $50 on your second sales. Master Traffic Institute is a one-time fee of $1,497. That also pays $1,000 on direct sales and $200 on the second level sales. So here, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on the video. I will add that right behind this video, and that way you can check out how this works. So go ahead and just start your free trial to go ahead and bring you right into the Power Lead system, and you can go ahead and do your 7-day free trial and check out the process. So my name is Leah. I am with the Power Lead system, and I'd love to help you out in making those residual incomes and working from the comfort of your home, making those $100 direct sales and $25 on your second sales, $400 on this direct sale, $50 on the second, and $1,000 on that direct sale and $200 on the second. There is so much to learn about the Power Lead system. It does absolutely amazing new things that have just come along. There is a drag and drop editor that allows you to make opt-in pages, let's say a website or anything you would like that you can use with any of your other businesses. So this is not just one business. This allows you to do multiple businesses. So I will be doing more videos on that. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe and click the like button, and I will see you on the next video. Take a moment and just watch this video and see how this works. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Before we complete your order, we want to let you in on our newest and most popular membership, which can multiply your income 5 times. It's called our Diamond Package, and it can pay you $100 commissions over and over again, many times, every single day. And we do this through our breakthrough accelerated leverage compensation plan. But with Diamond, your commissions are multiplied 5 times, adding an extra $100 commission to every $20 residual sale. Just 5 new members would pay you $500 in diamond level commissions. 10 to 20 new members would pay you $1,000 to $2,000 in diamond commissions. And 50 to 100 new members would pay you an incredible $5,000 to $10,000 in diamond commissions. But here's where your income really begins to explode. As a diamond member, you'll also get paid a 25% matching bonus of the payline commissions from every diamond member that you personally refer. If just one of your referred members made $1,000 in commissions, your 25% bonus would be $250 with no extra work. And if they made $10,000, your 25% bonus would be an incredible $2,500 paid right to you automatically. And remember, you're paid this 25% matching bonus on everyone you personally refer at the diamond level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people, all paying you 25% of their diamond level commissions. And as you can see, these diamond level commissions can turn into serious, part-time, even full-time income, with just a small group making monthly referrals. When you accept your diamond level membership right now, you get access to one of the newest in-demand training programs. This product is called the $1 Million Secret to Getting Unlimited Free Advertising. This powerful marketing program shows you step by step exactly how to build a massive organization in any opportunity, starting from scratch. This is the exact system that helped the creator of this training program personally generate over $964,000 in advertising co-op funds, helping him to grow multiple massive organizations and different opportunities over the last 25 years. His jealously guarded co-op advertising secrets helped him create a team of over 24,000 distributors, becoming the company's top enroller and the #1 earner, all with no money out of his own pocket. Now, armed with this information, you're finally going to be able to explode your organization and build that long-term residual income that you've always wanted. Increase your income potential 5 times by adding this amazing course to your order right now for just $147. This is not $147 per month, it's just one time. So go ahead and click on that buy button below right now and get started today.